Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A volcano in Iceland is still erupting this week after spewing the lava 10 days ago. The site of the volcanic eruption has become a popular tourist site over the past week and a half, drawing more than 5,000 to witness the spectacle. After swarms of small earthquakes in February 2021 on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula, experts had warned that magma was moving beneath the valley and could soon erupt. Since then, more than 50,000 smaller tremors had been registered and magma was detected just 1 kilometer under the Earth's surface in recent days. Late on the March 19th, an eruption officially began as lava broke through the surface at one of the most several shield volcanoes on the peninsula. While small in comparison to other recent eruptions in Iceland, the event was bright and large enough to observe. Reykjavik and other cities appeared very bright. The eruption appeared as a new patch of light on the southwestern part of the island. The eruption lightened up the night sky with the crimson glow as hundreds of small earthquakes shook the area. Lava poured from the fissure that was initially 500 to 700 meters long. It successively built up and broke down the mounds of the cooled lava called spatter cones. Streams of red lava bubbled and flowed out of the fissure in a valley close to the Reykjanes Peninsula in southwestern Iceland. According to the preliminary calculations, the magma emerging from volcano is almost 1,190 degrees Celsius. A scientific study of the freshly minted basalt suggests that the magma was come out of the deep within the Earth's mantle around 15 kilometers beneath the surface. Magma from the source this deep has not been seen in this region for thousands of the years. Most magmas make their way to the crust by creating their own lineal by evolving. This magma is coming straight up as per the volcanologists. The magma spewing out of a crack in the ground has formed small hills over the past week as it cools, creating two vents ejecting the lava, the biggest one measuring 20 meters. As the lava flow slowed under the rain showers, a blue glass plume and vapor clouds rose from the site, and experts said it posed no danger to the people. The last eruption on Reykjanes Peninsula dates back almost 800 years and lasted 30 years from 1210 to 1240. But the region had been under increased surveillance for several weeks after a 5.7 magnitude earthquake was registered on February 24 near Mount Kelier on outskirts of Reykjavik. More importantly, the underground lava flow is similar to the one being seen above ground, suggesting the eruption could be prolonged. However, the location of the eruption is natural basin in an unpopulated area, and this lengthy eruption poses no significant danger to surrounding areas. Flowing at its current rate, it would take weeks for the lava to reach the closest road. A volcanic eruption in Iceland has transformed the tranquil green valley into an ominous looking scene. Its first dark secrets beginning to emerge as volcanologists suggest the eruption could last longer than previously thought. Experts had initially predicted that the eruption of fissure near Mount Fagradalur, just 40 kilometers from the capital Reykjavik, would be brief, likely dying out after a few days. But due to the constancy of the lava flow and based on the first analysis of the magma, they now suspect the eruption could be a long hauler. The eruption rate of this recent eruption has been similar since the beginning of the eruption, and so the volcanologists have started to wonder if it may eventually be long duration eruptions. Iceland has 32 volcanic systems currently considered active, the highest number in the Europe. The country has had an eruption every 5 years on average. The most recent eruption was in Holuram, beginning in the August 2014, ending in February 2015 in an abandoned area in the center of the island. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.